Hi everyone, welcome back. So check this out. I was doing my usual Facebook marketplace browsing when I came across to the perfect winter project. So yeah, I bought a Civic. Look how ugly it is. Basically, there isn't a single intact panel on it. So last May, the right ball joint broke, and it hasn't even been started since. The battery was dead too. So now I'm going to see if it even starts, but first let me show you around. So yeah, this is a piece of shit. There are some parts missing. Doesn't seem so good. There is rust everywhere. Yeah. So the problem with metal. The problem with metal is that it wants to become iron oxide, and on this car it's doing a pretty good job. The interior isn't too bad, I think. Yeah, there are some trash in it. What's in the glove box? Oh, there's some paper and trash. Okay, so I don't think that it stands for incredible speed. Okay, so even the mirror is broken. And this is broken too, but now we need to check the engine. So this is okay, it don't seems so good. This part is pretty either, but it's not terrible. Anyway, I grab a battery and we'll see if it starts. So I charged this battery in the whole night, so I hope it's gonna be work. But now we need to try. Okay, the battery is connected, so let's see. Okay. Oh, there is ignition, and I hear the AC, but check this. The coolant temperature is in the half, so I think the sensor is broken. So this is the first problem, but try to start. So the starter motor is working. Oh, guys, come on! Wow, I don't believe it's gonna work. So come on, how easily it's gonna be start this shit. So I don't believe it. So, but it's not a good sound. But I think the petrol it's wrong also. Okay, so I don't move, but okay, so something it's not good in the transmission, but it's on another video.